What is the best dash cam for truckers? Here are my full reviews of the best dash cam for truckers together with key feature. So before starting this video, for more details and price, click product link description. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel. Garmin Mini Dash Cam. The Garmin Mini Dash Cam is a quality, affordable dash camera that is easy to use and install. This compact device doesn't take up any valuable space in front of the driver's view, so you can drive safely without worrying about getting distracted by your surroundings. Key features. We at British Trucking have given this product our top rating, as it offers excellent video quality while staying affordable, lightweight, and accessible. This camera gets our best dash cam for truckers 5-star rating. Snooper DVR-WF1 Wi-Fi enabled dash cam. The Snooper DVR-WF1 is the perfect companion for your dash cam and other needs. This discreet device can be unobtrusively fitted to any vehicle using the adhesive pad. The DVR-WF1 records onto an 8GB micro SD card at 1080p HD utilizing a 6G lens with f1.8 aperture, so you will never miss a detail on the road. Key features. Snooper's new DVR-WF1 combines all of the features necessary for a dash cam together with even more. In addition to being able to easily attach this discreet camera anywhere in your car, it also records at 1080p HD and has an aperture of f/1.8 that provides excellent quality video recordings no matter what. Vantrue N2 Pro Dual Dash Cam. The Vantrue N2 Pro Dual Dash Cam is a new product that combines two high-quality Sony sensors in one easy-to-install dash cam device. The front and rear cameras give you the ability to record both angles at once, so it doesn't matter which side of the vehicle an accident happens on. If you're looking for a reliable dual camera system with ample storage space, this is a great choice. Key features. The dash camera includes two 1920 by 1080p sensor cameras that are capable of recording 2.5K video when set to single front mode. This means the footage will be crisp and clear even from far away distances. Vantrue N4 Triple Dash Cam. The Vantrue N4 Triple Dash Cam 3-channel 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p front, rear and inside 3-lens dash cam with infrared night vision. Capacitor vehicle dash camera, 24H parking monitor, motion detection is the perfect solution to all your trucking needs. Not only does it have a 3-channel design that captures high-definition footage from the front dashboard camera. Key features. Outside rear-view mirror cam as well as an inside mirror camera for additional safety, but also comes equipped with infrared night vision capability and capacitors, which provide longer battery life, ensuring peace of mind day or night. Nextbase 322GW Dash Cam. Looking for a dash cam that records in full high definition? The Nextbase 322GW dash cam has you covered. This digital recording device offers 1080p/60fps HD, front and rear cameras, 140 degrees of viewing angle coverage, night vision capabilities, Wi-Fi connectivity with smartphone capabilities, and more. A polarizing filter is even included to make sure the footage captured by this camera is crystal clear. Key features. Nextbase 322GW dash cam full 1080p/60fps HD recording in vehicle DVR camera, 140 degrees front, Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, SOS emergency response, night vision, auto loop records.